due to pothole can lead to the major accidents and other long-term health-related issues, and also it will increase your vehicle maintenance cost. So to overcome this problem, we have developed the pothole detection system, which will detect the pothole on the road, and it will categorize them according to their sizes, and also it will track the exact location of the pothole. And this all the data will be displayed on the map, where you will get the count of pothole, percentage of pothole, and also you will get the exact location of pothole in a color-coded format. That is green for the small pothole, orange for the medium pothole, and red for the large pothole. So this is our solution. This is the map we have made. So here, entering the from location and destination location, and you will get the route like this. And this is the count of pothole. This is the percentage of pothole. Okay, and this is the exact location of the pothole.
So firstly, in hardware component, we use HDSV webcam, which captures a real-time road footage and transfer this footage to a laptop, where in the laptop the main code is done, which is detects the pothole from this camera footage by using yellow weird small version models. As well as at the time of detection, it detects the potholes as well as it categorizes the pothole as per their size. And at the time of detection, it simultaneously fetches the GPS coordinates of these potholes by using a GPS GSM modem, as well as which is forwarded by a Raspberry Pi 4B, as well as a Raspberry Pi forwards a MQ9250 data, which is calculates pitch, roll, anya, which we use to refine the GPS coordinates. And at the end, the location of the data of pothole related like latitude, longitude, and the size of potholes get stored in the Firebase. And after this, we can see this data on the map in color coded format.